Today, meron akong na-receive package, no? And it came all the way from Oklahoma City from USA. And I'm not sure kung nahulaan nyo, but it's this one. Ooh. Well, nahulaan nyo naman siguro, it's the silver play button. So recently, guys, we just achieved 100,000 subscribers here on our channel, Gadget Sidekick. And of course, I'm really grateful and thankful to each and every one of you. From my family, from my wife, my 3 kids. Love you guys. And of course, to my subscribers, to my fan base. Grabe, sobrang pasasalamat ko sa inyo for helping me reach this award. Of course, I won't be here without you guys, and definitely, I hope during this journey, marami kayo natutunan na video sa akin from yung mga reviews natin, no? From smartphones to laptops and to whatever mga tutorials na ina-upload ko, no? And this time around, of course, I'm trying to build another channel, which is Gadget Sidekick Beyond, wherein doon ko i-host lahat ng mga gusto ko turuin sa inyo, no? I hope you can help me achieve another one of these. And of course, don't forget ang aking original channel, Xiaomi Review. Meron na tayo 66,500 na subscribers. So, konti na lang. Baka makakuha ulit tayo ng isa pang silver play button there. And today, i-unbox ko to in front of you. And guys, if you want a shout out, no, on my next video, comment on the comment section below. I'll give some shout outs on my next video. Don't forget to hit the comment section. So, right now, syempre, ang aking trusty na kutsilyo, hiwain na natin. Alam mo guys, during this journey, ang dami ko natutunan. And one of them is from my fellow YouTuber na si Mary Grace Escobar, no? Na nag-celebrate ng 2 subscribers, guys. Imagine, 2 subscribers nag-celebrate siya. And grabe, bumuhos kanya ang mga subscribers, no? Grabe, I'm sure na she already had one of these. Siguro nasa 300 subscribers na siya right now, no? And, well, I'm happy for her. Right now, kaka-slice lang natin, no? O-open ko na to para makita niyo kung ano nga ba laman nito. And I'm also excited, no, to see what's inside this box. Ay, meron pang isang ano. What? Uy, may note muna. So, this note is pang certificate of authenticity, no? So, there's another note here coming from the CEO ng YouTube mismo, no? And it says here na some 1,000 subscribers, just how far you've come. If each of your subscriber were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And that's why today, we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought unique voice and style to the world, you also created valuable connection and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless other out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come from your channel to learn something new or just a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continue to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours truly, Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. Wow, haba nung note na yun. And of course, thanks for the inspiring words. And here it is. Woo. Grabe. Tatanggalin ko na. Just like any unboxing. Tatanggalin natin yung plastic. Woo. Whew. Guys, silver play button. Finally, here in my channel. And of course, it's presented to Gadget Sidekick for passing 100,000 subscribers from YouTube. This is the silver play button. Not many people has this. And thank you guys for your support. Continue to support me, guys, until I reach the gold one. So 1 million, no? And beyond, of course. And yeah, I will try to hang this up somewhere here sa aking studio, no? Just to commemorate na we did it. You and me, we did it. Thank you, and I hope to see you on my next video. What's up?